Hi, Chef Joe Crockett with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making chicken Caesar wraps with baked potato chips. First thing we've done is spread out our potato chips on our baking sheet here. We sprayed them with some cooking spray, and now I'm seasoning them with salt. And you could even do cracked black pepper on here too if you wanted, but we're just going to do salt today. Got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're all nice, crisp, and golden brown. So we're going to pop these into the oven and then we'll work on our chicken Caesar wraps. So we've got our lettuce for our wraps here, already ready. And this calls for shredded chicken. So what I've done is I've poached my chicken in just a simple cooking liquid of water, salt, pepper, a splash of olive oil, and then I had a couple of lemon halves left over from juicing the lemons for my vinaigrette here. So just enough to kind of flavor them up. You could throw some fresh herbs in there if you wanted to as well. And you're just going to poach those over medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the chicken breast, just until they're cooked through. You can pull them out, cool them, and shred them up. So we'll do that in just a minute. Work on this vinaigrette. I've got a little bit of the zest and the juice of my lemon in the bottom of my bowl. And I've also got some minced garlic. Alright, fermented garlic's in there. I'm going to whisk that in. Got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Some yogurt. That'll give you the creaminess. Whisk that to incorporate. Okay, we have some Dijon mustard. Use a spoon to get that out. Now, if this is something that you're making with the kids in the kitchen with you, you could have all of these ingredients measured out for your vinaigrette. Give them a jelly jar and have them put all of the ingredients inside. Make sure you season it well and have them close the lid up. Give it a really, really good shake, and it'll be the same as whisking it like I'm going to do here in the bowl, and it's something fun for the kids to do. So we're going to do a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You want to season this well. Just a pinch of salt. Some cracked the black pepper. And then just to kind of fortify it and hold it together just a little bit, a couple of drizzles of olive oil. Whisk this up. And you can set that aside. And I'm going to begin to shred my chicken. I'm warming a tortilla up on low heat in a dry skillet. You can shred this into as big or as little pieces as you like. I'm going to leave a little bit of texture to it. So, once your chicken is shredded, you can add in your lettuce. For your vinaigrette over the top. set to combine. We'll crack some more black pepper. Alright, and these are ready to assemble in our wraps. Alright, so we're going to plate up one of our chicken Caesar wraps. Fold it over, roll it over onto itself. You can leave it like that, or you can slice it. Give mine a slice. We'll plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.